Now let's start discussing questions related to grammar portion. So we have exercise related to adverbs. Adverbs is one of the parts of speeches. Adverbs होते क्या हैं? Adverbs are words used to modify verbs. ये verbs को describe करते हैं, identify करते हैं और qualify करते हैं कि हमारे पास अगर कोई verb है तो वो किस तरह का verb है. Adverbs can also be used to modify adjectives and other adverbs. तो ये सिर्फ verbs को ही modify नहीं करते हैं बल्कि दूसरे adverbs और adjectives को भी modify करते हैं. And then adjectives क्या होते हैं? Adjectives जो होते हैं noun को qualify कर रहे होते हैं, modify कर रहे होते हैं. So let's see what is this exercise about. Fill in the blanks with a suitable adverb. हमें options में कुछ adverbs दिए गए हैं. We have to choose the appropriate one. So first is I dash go to bed at 10 o'clock. So we have once, ever and usually. So usually is the correct one. Second is I have dash been to the Saudi Arabia, and options are never, ever. So never is the correct option. Third is I've been to Turkey just dash. We have one, once and then ones. So once. Fourth is I dash take a bath before I go to bed. We have options once, always, ever. So always is the correct option. Fifth is my grandparents live in Bannu. I visit them dash, and we have options once and often. Often is the correct option. Sixth is my friends are dash non-smokers, most and mostly. So we would go for mostly. Seventh is I was dash impressed with her performance, and we have options too, such and very. So very is the correct one. Eighth is I dash go for a walk in the park, and we have some space time, then sometime, and then sometimes. I sometimes go for a walk. Ninth is I watch English films dash once, always, occasionally. I watch English films occasionally. Tenth is they dash go out, rare, once, rarely. They rarely go out. So we are done with our grammar portion. Thank you. So with this we have come towards the end of our today's video lecture. I hope जो भी आज हमने पढ़ा वो आपको clarity के साथ समझ आया होगा. Inshallah we'll be talking about some new topic in our next video. Till then, take care. This is me, Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk, signing out.